I got a package, guys. I got a package from Grammy Janette. And I'm going to open, I already opened this. And this is my little letter and my payment. And she sent me some stuff, like she always does. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I felt something. Oh, that's cute. Little Christmas decorations. I like that. It's very cute. It says joy. I will definitely hang that up. And then a kitchen Christmas towel. Very pretty. Merry Christmas, holly jolly. Let it snow. Yep. Very cute. Love it. And then diapers, Santa Claus Pampers. Yay. I've never had anything like these. These are really cute. Oh, there's green ones too. Very cool. Oh, she sent me a bunch. Very cool. I like them a lot. Them are absolutely adorable. Here's the little green ones and then the red ones for Santa. Love them, Janette. And a pair of gloves. Ooh, and these are the ones, these are cool. I like how they can flip over. You can have your tips of your fingers out, or they can flip over into regular gloves. Very cool. Thank you, Janette. I love this stuff, hon. It's very, very nice of you. There's probably a card in the letter too, but I don't read that stuff on here. But thank you very much. I will put this stuff up for Christmas. And I will use the gloves and definitely the diapers. Thank you so much, hon. Love you. Alright, hold on. I'm going to go ahead and open this, but I'm not going to read it. I might show a card if there's a card. But I'm not going to. I like to keep personal cards personal. You know. Alright. Yeah. Oh, there is a... There we go. I'll show you the front of the card. It's really pretty. The true gifts of Christmas are for the heart to enjoy. It's very pretty. Okay, let's see. I love you too, Janette. And thank you, hon. Alright, so I'm gonna go, guys. I will talk to you guys soon. I love this. This is really cool. I'm gonna hang it up somewhere. Alright, bye, guys. Love you, bestie. Bye.